Here is the dashboard layout. On the top we have few KPI card showing total revenue, average order values, total quantity sold, total orders, and average pizzas per order. So these KPIs help us instantly understand overall business performance. Below that you can see charts like daily and monthly trends, percentage revenue by pizza category and pizza size, total pizza sold by pizza category, and on the second page we have top 5 best selling and worst selling pizza charts. Okay. So now this dashboard is powered by a live SQL connection. Let me show you. This dashboard is powered by a live SQL connection. I wrote SQL queries to extract insight from the database. Okay, so here everything is dynamic and refreshable. Let's look at some insight. Looking at daily trend, here Wednesday sees the highest number of orders, followed by Tuesday and Monday, and so on. Looking at monthly trend, July and January recorded the highest number of orders. On the left panel, we highlight the busiest days and months, as well as category and size are top performer. Looking at donut chart, we have two donut chart here, one for revenue split and second for the pizza category. So percent of revenue by pizza category and size shows classic pizza and large size pizza leads in revenue shapes. This is horizontal bar. Here you can see classic pizza. Classic pizza are the best seller with nearly 15,000 units sold. On the page 2, we identify top 5 pizza driving revenues or quantity and orders. The Thai chicken pizza and you can say classic deluxe pizza, okay, tops in quantity, order count and revenue. We also highlight underperformers. You can see 𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗵 pizza appears consistently in the lower performing list across all metrics. So such insight help business fine-tune their menu, optimize inventory and boost profitability. So if you're an IT student, BCom student, engineering student, BSc student or BC student or working professional, if you're looking to master these tools like Microsoft Excel, PowerBI, SQL, Data Analytics, Business Analyst, I post free tips, notes and guide to help you all. You can follow my WhatsApp channel for free learning. You can even subscribe to my YouTube channel for tutorials and real world projects walked throughout. And if you need help or career guidance, so you can connect me directly on WhatsApp number. Here is my WhatsApp number available. My LinkedIn profile is available. Here is my LinkedIn profile. So thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment and share with someone who might benefit from these projects. Keep learning, keep growing. This is Ram Prasad signing off. See you in the next video.